Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend One, and this is the 131 DL travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Okay, starting up front, you do have one 20-pound propane tank with the rock guard down below on the front cap here. Spot for a battery right there. Storage compartment here. You do have your solar disconnect, battery disconnect, cable and satellite hookups, freshwater fill, and two GFCI 110 outlets. There is another freshwater fill here. And there is a spot for your sewer hose storage right there, along with a freshwater low point drain. And your black and gray water tank poles are right behind the tire here. Does have stabilizer jacks, manual crank down, which you can use a 3/4 inch socket and a drill. Prep for the Lippert backup camera, or I'm sorry, Furrion backup camera, and then it does have the Lippert prep for a ladder. Electric awning with LED lighting. Does have a black tank flush. There are more 110 outlets on the side here. There is a JBL exterior speaker. And here is the other side of that storage compartment up front. Lippert solid steps going into the trailer. And as you walk in, you do have storage down below along with your table storage. Couch up front, that will fold flat and then become your main bed. There's the mattress folded up right behind the couch. You do have storage along the side and up above. Furnace is down below here. And then you've got your sink. More storage up above, 2-burner, and microwave. Your refrigerator is over on this side. Does have a built-in freezer box. And more countertop space with an outlet there. Spot for a TV on that wall if you'd like to add it. Nice big bathroom, toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, fan up above, and full-size shower. We'll do one more walk around here. Roof AC is right up there. Control panel is here, so it does have the electric awning button, some accent lighting, and your water heater. Nice light colored flooring. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2026 Grand Design Transcend One 131 DL travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.